Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Linda and I are finally on the road and we're visiting the beautiful state of Tennessee. Today's video is going to be a short one, but it's going to be an important one. It has to do with safety around the campsite, and this specifically, those fold down steps. Last night when Linda was coming out of these steps, she took quite a tumble when her foot slipped on this non-skid. Now the good news is Linda's fine. The other good news is, like a pro, she went down hard but did not break the wine bottle she was carrying. But seriously folks, it could have been a lot worse and could have wrecked a vacation for sure. We got to looking at these steps and we realized that this non-skid tape that's on these steps is really worn kind of smooth over time. So this afternoon I went down to Home Depot here in Nashville and bought some 2-inch non-skid tape, and I'm going to reapply it on these stairs. In the past, we've also bought a very similar product to apply to this ladder on the back of the trailer and to the wear part of our Anderson leveler so that our tires grab just that much easier. So that's it for today, guys. We're going to get back to this beautiful sunset and this outstanding campsite outside of Nashville, Tennessee. Watch out in the future video. We're going to do a full review of our little tabletop fire pit that we're enjoying and show you the sights of Nashville, Tennessee. Adhesive non-skid tape, and we're going to